Welcome to Greek Words in Scripture. This is lesson 3, and we're continuing in the alphabet, the second line on the chart. Jumping right into the second line of our alphabet, 8 characters on that line, beginning with iota, kappa, lambda, mu. And let's look at iota first. Notice that iota and kappa, there's a English letter missing between I and K, and that's the letter J. The English word Jesus comes from the Greek word Iesus, which is spelled with iota, eta, sigma, omicron, upsilon, sigma. So the Greek sound iota, eta has transposed into the J sound. The shape of the letters for iota, capital and lowercase, are very similar to the English. The Greek word is spelled iota, omega, tau, alpha. There appear to be 2 pronunciations for the letter iota. I usually use E as the sound for iota, but in the English vocabulary, we often would call it iota. There are times in the spelling like Iesus, it comes out as an E sound, and like winos, it comes out as an I sound. The shape of the Greek letter kappa is very similar to our English font, and notice that it's spelled with the Greek letters kappa, alpha, pi, alpha, kappa, and it has the sound of our letter K. The letter lambda in Greek has slightly different shape than in English. It's just one that we'll have to learn and remember. It's spelled in the Greek letters as lambda, alpha, mu, beta, delta, alpha. So if we sounded that out, it would be L, A, M, B, D, A, lambda. And of course, it does have the sound, lil. The capital letter mu is recognizable as similar to our English capital M, but the lowercase is a letter shape we'll just have to learn. It's spelled mu upsilon, or it would be mu. And of course, it gets the sound The capital letter nu is identical to the English shape, but the lowercase letter, we'll have to recognize that. Notice it has got a sharp point at the bottom of what looks like a V. This is the Greek lowercase nu, and it's spelled in Greek nu upsilon, nu. The next letter, xi or xi, is not recognizable to our English eyes. We're just going to have to learn the shape of this letter. It is spelled xi epsilon iota, xi. It has the sound of a truncated X, x. The next letter, omicron, has recognizable shape of O, and it's spelled omicron, mu, iota, kappa, rho, omicron, nu. And so there would be omicron, and it has the sound of an O. The last letter in this row is the letter pi. It has unusual shape to the English eye. It has a familiar shape because of its appearance in math and science. We have to learn its shape. The letter is spelled as pi, epsilon, iota, and its pronunciation is pi, and it sounds like the letter P. Puh. And this will end our discussion today, and we'll pick up next lesson at the third row of our alphabet.